Preventative maintenance on a roof is similar to going to the dentist. It's every day you're brushing your teeth, you're preventing problems. The roof is no different. When that small hole develops in your tooth and it gets to the point now where it has to be pulled, the roof is the same. When that small hole develops into a bigger problem, a lot of the components of the roof system are destroyed, and now the roof has to be pulled off. And that's expensive, as opposed to a little bit of caulk, a little bit of sealing, of flashings, a couple $100 versus several $1,000s. Yeah, in order to recognize problems, as minor as they may be, we need to be on your roof. We need to get on your roof and examine it. And in doing so, we save customers thousands of dollars. Just, it's a fact. I've been shocked myself at the length of time that we can prolong a roof system just with preventative maintenance, just the cleaning aspect of it. Most preventative maintenance programs, we're accessing the roof at least twice a year. Sometimes it's more than that, depending on the activity that goes on. I mean, we work in industrial facilities that emit dust and debris out of the stacks, and in those cases, additional trips would be necessary. But in most cases, it's a biannual inspection, usually spring and fall, where we just get on the roof and do an assessment, do an inspection.